Last night, the toaster oven worked fine. Today, no power. Nothing. Lights are on. There's power in the house. It's plugged in. The outlet has power. But there's no power. Or for some reason, it's not working. So I'm going to take it apart and see what's wrong. I did not want to just throw it away, go spend another, I don't know, $150 or $200 or whatever it is. I wanted to know why this isn't working. And here's where I found my problem. All right, so the cover's off. Here's the power cord. I know that there's power in the outlet. I want to see if power is getting from the cord to the circuit board. To do that, I'm going to use a test light. So using a test light, if the connection is good, I'll see a light come on. I'm going to put the clip of the test light on one plug and then trace that wire around to this connector block and see if I get a light. And I do. So the wire is good from here through the cord to that connector block. Now I'm going to see if the other side of the connector block is good. And it is. That's screwed to this wire, to this white wire. So that means I should have a good light here and going up. That's not taking me to the motherboard. Here's the board. Somewhere over here. That's good. Now I want to check the other side. Switch the lead. So I'll check this side of the connector, that side of the connector. Then it goes into this red wire, into the sleeve. Is in here. Okay. Comes in. Oof. I have to take more apart. Basically what happens is power comes in over here. The power comes in here, goes through this wire to there, hits the fuse, comes out the other side and goes into the device. But because the fuse blew, there's no power on the other side of the fuse. So I'm going to take that out and replace it. And here we go. Now let's look at this. Make sure it has the right numbers. It matches. So when I put power on one side, I have power, and on the other side, I have power. So this is a good fuse. I'm going to replace this one with this. Alright, so that's the bad fuse. I'll just twist it up because that I don't want to ever use it. Trash. All right. Okay, I have that reconnected. Put the sleeve back on. Let me check with the light first. Put power on the end. I have power coming out of the wire, going into the fuse, and coming out of the fuse. So now let me put the sleeve back on. Loosen that up a little bit, just get the sleeve in there. Yeah, that's about right. Tighten it back. Mount that right back there. That takes care of that. Thanks for watching.